Basic English conversation practice for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend Kokaka. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you. What can these birds do? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word.
Eagle, crow, chicken, ostrich,
Conversation.
What's this bird?
It's an eagle.
What's this?
It's a crow.
What can these birds do?
They can fly.
You're right. But some birds can't fly. What birds can't fly?
Penguins, chickens, and ostriches.
You're right.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
What's this bird?
It's an eagle.
What's this?
It's a crow.
What can these birds do?
They can fly.
You're right. But some birds can't fly. What birds can't fly?
Penguins, chickens, and ostriches.
You're right.
Word quiz.
Crow, chicken, eagle, ostrich,
Conversation quiz.
What does the teacher say? What's this? What can these birds do?
It's a crow.
What does the teacher say? What birds can fly? What birds can't fly?
Eagles and crows.
What does the teacher say? What birds can't fly?
penguins, chickens, and ostriches.
Of course. You're right.
Did you have fun? See you at the next one!